Once the hood's up, you see this plastic shield right here, we need to get this out of the way. So we're going to use a 3/16 Allen head, looks like this. We're going to remove these bolts. That's what it's going to look like. We're going to take out this 10mm headed bolt right down there. Set it aside. Unclip your air filter box. I'm just going to get this out of here. Now's a great time to check and replace your air filter if it needs to be done. Just pull that out. Set it aside for now. We're going to remove this right here, or loosen this I should say. Just an 8mm. You can also use a flathead screwdriver. Next I'm going to remove this right here. This is your mass airflow sensor. Squeeze this tab and lift it up. We're going to have to get the wiring off of here. Use some long nose pliers. Squeeze those tabs. Set that aside. Grab your box, lift and pull, and get the hose off of there. Remove this box. Just going to try to support this transmission so it can't drop down. That's good. We're going to start by removing this 18mm nut right there. There it goes. Next, we're going to remove our 3 16mm headed bolts. 1, 2, 3. All three are the same. I'm going to spray some penetrant right down in here because I believe this stud is what's holding on to the mount right now. Oh yeah, there we go. Hee-hee. Time to install our new mount. Right down on there. If it doesn't look like there's very much of your stud sticking up, just jack up that engine a little bit further. I'm going to start all these bolts and the nut in before I tighten any of them down. Let's snug them up. Make sure these are tight using our ratchet. Tight. 3 mounting bolts. Tight. Make sure those pitons are down into there. That feels great. Give that a wiggle. Let's tighten this up. Give your hose a tug. Make sure it doesn't come off that box. It's very important. Mass airflow sensor wire. Give it a tug. Let's get the air filter part of the box back on. get this bolt back in, right down in there. Nice. This jack out of the way. It's time to get this cover reinstalled. We're going to line up these holes with the holes on the engine. Put it right up on top there. Looks good. Where is it? There it is. Snug them up. Close the hood, down the road you go.